Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your laptop has power and internet. Open the message containing the Zoom link. Click the full URL once, not the meeting ID alone, because the link launches the correct meeting with parameters. If your browser asks, allow it to open Zoom. This passes your browser session to the Zoom app or web client. Once done, make sure you recognize the meeting name to avoid joining the wrong room, and pause to grant any permission prompts that appear. You'll see a choice. Open the Zoom app or join in the browser. Pick the app if installed for best stability, otherwise use the browser option. When prompted, allow camera and microphone so people can see and hear you. Test audio using Zoom's quick sound checks so you're not scrambling during the meeting. If the host requires a passcode or places you in a waiting room, type your display name and wait. These steps authenticate you and protect the meeting. You finish by selecting Join with computer audio and confirming your camera state. Unmute only when you're ready to speak. Use the participant and chat controls to manage your presence and pin or spotlight the speaker if needed. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fixes first. Close and reopen the Zoom app or copy the meeting link into a different browser tab. If audio still fails, restart your laptop. This often resolves device permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.